pass mark for your assignment. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Okay. No, I mean, come on. These are different industries, right? So we can say now. Okay, that is your business, perfectly okay. But why AU pass? Why A?
A in the sense A for Aniston. You
Okay.
pass. So if you can, pronounce it, hey, you pass. So kind of, you can say, hey, you pass, kind of thing. So that's what I put. A for Aniston, YOUPASS, AU pass.
Okay, so which means okay, you have taken kind of a rhyming word to make sure that okay, it goes into the market comfortably.
Yes. So
Perfectly
when you say, so if someone calls me for the assignment, so you can say, what's your company name or brand name? So you can say, hey, you pass. Then it's straight away they are clicking to, okay, this man is doing something. You can pass.
Okay, right. Now see that connectivity you are taking. So I mean, about what you are doing, right? But connectivity you are taking with the brand name, you pass. Okay, and even you can say you can get A pass kind of a meaning also. Person might get.
Thank you so much.
Right, you can. And I'm just connecting the brands. I don't know, right? I honestly, I don't. I mean, I don't know. I mean, like it's my personal view, So I do recommend people to do their own job. So because they are own learning, but the consultation is super. Consultation is needed. So go ahead and do the consultation. You better not do the assignment, but do the consultation. That is what needed. So and even can connect the name A pass and AU pass. You get A pass kind of a meaning even you can get with that name, So the branding you said. Ko ape me Michelle Erandi hema gaya. Erandi, I mean like where's Erandi? Erandi atosela atapalla dala gaya. Erandi is our, ape group ke inna Iron Lady, right? If you all want to put up your house, any kind of a construction project, my dear friends, Erandi will support you all with the steel solutions. Nederandi?
It's a kind of a part of work, sir, we are doing.
Right.
We are not doing completely.
Okay, so business එකක් කරන් දෙන්න හදනකොට opportunity එකක් කරන් දෙන්න හදනකොට ඒක kind of ඔව් sir ඔව් ඒක තමයි කරන්නේ කියලා මේ ඉස්සරහට හදන ගෙවල් මෙතන අඩුම ගානේ ගෙවල් 50ක් අත් ඇද්දලොත් ඒ ගෙවල් 50 business ටික ගන්න පුළුවන් මම ඒ chance එක අරන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ right
but so, have to say the sir
what is your brand
we are supplying metal sheets stainless steel sheets and we are supplying the cutting and bending part and pipe bending, box bar bendings like that. For the
okay, what is your name?
Solutions.
Which solutions?
Making gates.
Okay.
The embossed pieces, like that.
Okay, what is the brand name you are using?
KJ Ironworks.
KJ
Ironworks.
KJ Ironworks. Now you look at the entire name KJ Ironworks, but if you put KJ only, so then people might get confused. The KJ Ironworks, right? So when it comes to KJ Ironworks, the entire name shows okay, ironwork. If I want to get some ironwork done, okay, Erandi is having a company, ironwork. Okay, so then I need to go. But what do you mean by KJ? Is it okay if I ask? Anyway, you have to because nama register කරනවත් KJ කියන එකේ mean එක දෙන්න ඕනේ name registration එකට.
No, it's my father had a building construction company, so he used to that name KJ, the initials.
Okay.
He never mentioned about the name.
What?
He never said about the initials. What? So that's his idea.
Okay. So maybe okay, maybe I'm just to make it humor. Okay. සමහරලාට මේ කාඩ් කූට්ටම ගහනකොට තාත්තට මතක් වෙනද K අකුරයි J අකුරයි Q අකුරයි කියලා මේකෙන් අකුරු තුනෙන් අකුරු දෙකක් දාලා ගහමින් නෑ I mean certain brands are coming up into in a weird way my dear friends so this is where I'm coming into right සමහර වෙලාවට තාත්තගේ ලක් එක සමහර වෙලාවට J අකුරත් එක්ක තියෙන්න පුළුවන් හැමතිස්සෙම no I'm just saying you know what I mean right so,
yeah,
so like
like
that it's like that maybe so එහෙම connections තියෙන්න පුළුවන් so සමහර වෙලාවට අපිට එන නම් my dear friends it's we can't even connect the dots how come this name appeared කියන එක so but it's a brand it's a popular brand right so in that way so KJ now see I mean ladies and gentlemen if you want to put up your house the gates and all these things whatever the steel bending
we are doing some this hotel items, the sink bowls, kitchen items like tables. We are doing that part also.
See, it's a huge industry. It's a huge industry. Now we have steel lady here, iron lady, right? Okay, remember, Erandi is the iron lady. Whenever you want to get the steel or the iron work done, talk to Erandi 243. Right.
Although we don't do some things, but we can give idea about it.
Super. That is what needed. That is what needed. KJ Ironwork. So see, the name comes. Okay, name how the name came into the picture. Ko දැන් මේ මිෂෙල් අත උස්සන් ඉඳලා වගේ අක්කා අත උස්සන් ඉඳලා ගියාමයි දැන් වෙන්නේ. Where is she?
Yes.
Michelle.
Hello.
Yeah. Michelle, what is your brand?
It's Press Play Creations.
What?
Press Play Creations.
Fresh Play Creations.
Press. P-R-E-S-S.
P-R-E-S-S.
Press. Yes.
Okay. Press.
Play.
Play. Okay.
Yes.
Creations.
It's actually, yeah, it came from like Press Play Entertainment is the main company that's owned by my son. So he's into the music industry and that is how the name started. Like for music, it's always you have to press and then play. So even the logo, it has the arrow because of that.
Okay.
So that's how the name part was taken. So he goes as Press Play Entertainment and mine is Press Play Creations.
So why you thought of using the same name, Michelle? Why you thought of using the same name? පුතාගේ මගහගෙන උඩට ගියා කොහොම හරි පුතාගේ නම කොපි වල වුණා ඒකේ
having another name as Decorate, Deco 8. So, but then my son's page and his name was very, I mean, he's a very famous person in this DJ field and music industry and all that. So, and then he got registered as a company and everything. So I thought if I go as the same thing, I mean,
you have a better mileage out of it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now see that is one thing we identified as the brand stretching strategy, my dear friends. Brand stretching. When you have a popular brand name, you can stretch that brand into different products. Now Yamaha as an example. Yamaha, you have water scooters, you have music equipments, you have bikes, you have this, you have that, and you know, so many products under the same name. So 3M, huge range. When you have a popular name, you can stretch that name into different segments. So that is the beauty now. Now y'all may even use the name which is already there if it is under your control, which is really good, Michelle. Thank you very much for your inputs. Anyway, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so who else are having brands? Okay, we were talking about why I wanted to talk about this. Yes, Krishan, what is your brand? Demika and Krishan. We'll take Demika and Krishan and yeah. Okay, Demika, what is your brand? I think Krishan left. Demika, what is your brand?
Sir, it is Raccoon Studio.
I can get you. Raccoon Studio.
Yes.
Okay, is it a photography studio, the videography studio, or at soundproof? What type of a thing?
Yes, sir. It is basically about product photography.
Product photography studio. Okay.
Yes.
What is the name you said?
Raccoon Studios.
Okay, why did you put raccoon?
It was just me and other two friends. We were like brainstorming. Then suddenly someone came up with it, and we went with it because it is like a stand up from the like competition, and like there is like cheerful name. That's why.
What do you mean by the name raccoon?
So it's an animal. It's an animal. Like
You are using the name of an animal. Kiwi, dove is a name of animal, no? Okay. So, but what is the name of? Okay, what is that animal connected with the studio work? Do you have any connectivity?
no, sir. That's just we made our logo from that animal's face.
To the raccoon, right? So see, now they were brainstorming and they came up with the name, right? And that is an animal name, right? And the name is basically stand out from the rest and nobody is using in this particular industry, right? So they decided to use it. Why? The people can remember raccoon eකට ගියානම් මේ වැඩේ කරගන්න පුළුවන් raccoon එක. And name also can be easily remember. Memorability is there, likability, people easily pronounce, right? So those things are there. Very good, Demika. So we'll talk about Krishan and finish it this. So Krishan, what is your brand? Thank you, Demika.
My brand is Shelter for You, sir.
Shelter
For You.
Shelter for You. Okay, what do you do?
Yeah, we are a real estate company.
Okay.
So from the brand name, we are showing that because people need a shelter to live. So that's why I made the Shelter for You brand.
Okay, Shelter for You. Now see, I mean, like, people need a shelter for living, and connecting that the requirement, the consumer's expectation, you converted to a brand. Consumer's expectation, you have converted to a brand, and Shelter for You, it's a statement. Yeah, it's a statement, same as like what I said earlier. I can't believe it's not a butter. It's a statement. Now, thank you, Krishan. Now, see,
And
my dear friend.
there's another one, sir. There's another one.
Yeah, what?
The brand is Soulful Living. That is a tourism online travel agency. I have made the Soulful Living because when we sleep, the soul is roaming around. So they are wherever we go. So soul also going around. So that's why I said Soulful Living.
Soulful living. And I mean, see, now when you look at the tourism, the people comes around. Okay, people, when you look at the tourism industry, you are looking at the comfortability, you are looking at the relaxation, you are talking about relaxing your mind and the soul and the physique and all these things. So connecting that, it's really good. It's really good. So you see some similarities. Now, sometimes you might wonder, okay, using an animal for this industry, how come it relates? So dove is an animal. Enang dove කියන කුරුල්ලව අපි ඇඟේ ගන්නවා කියන meaning එක නෙමෙයි, but you bring into a different and soulful living. The people really expectation shelter for some. I mean shelter for you. Shelter for you. Ne? You said
Yeah.
so, and the brand converted in a you viewpoint. Customer viewpoint again brand convert. So all these things, when I mean you can't do wonders overnight. When you look at these names, you can easily convert into a good brands, my dear friends, with whatever the activities you do along with the brand. And remember, okay, now we came up only about 5-8 people here. Okay, now if every one of you can have your own brand in the market, okay, if every one of you can have your own brand in the market, my dear friends, remember, right? After your retirement, you have your future. You don't have to depend on anyone. You don't have to wait till your retirement to start your own business, right? Everybody is not blessed like KFC. Okay, so you have your own brand. When the brand moves out into the market, you can't do wonders. Other brand එකක් launch කරලා හෙට brand එකේ miracles කරන්න බෑ. It takes a little bit of time for a brand to come up into the market. So let that time to be stronger and keep the stable foot on the field with your brand. And when you're, I mean, there will be a day where you have to 100% focus on your brand, leaving all your whatever the other jobs or whatever the things. But I'm recommending, okay, I mean, don't take me wrong, but I'm recommending, if you're not conflicting with the interest of the job what you are doing right now, have your own brand, right? The person who is in insurance, into fashion, no conflict at all. Okay. Now the person who is into, let's say as example, finance, have a coffee brand outside. No conflict of interest at all. But you doing your branding work or you doing your private business during the office time, that is unethical, and this is that is conflicting with the interest of the job. So when you all have a brand under your name, you feel, and when you live with it, you, even when you I mean, do whatever, you get the strategies to change, you get the strategies, you get your thinking in your mind. මම මේක කොහොමද කරන්න පුළුවන්, තා මොනවාද කරන්න පුළුවන් විදි, තා මොනවාද අලුත් කරන්න පුළුවන් විදි. So you feel it, my dear friends. So if every one of you are having something like that, think it will be good for your future. So let's move forward, which means, my dear friends, now as per American Marketing Association, does that mean whenever you make a, I mean, whenever marketer create a new name, logo, symbol, right? What do you think? It becomes a brand. It becomes a brand. It becomes a brand. So that is the beauty. So, but you keeping that only for yourself is the problem. Without keeping that only for yourself, if you can convert it to the market and do it, so then only you can do wonders, my dear friends. So branding is one of the nice topic when you really study and look at all these brands, right? Some people have used Samsung and GE Electronics, right? Mercedes-Benz even, they are using umbrella brand. Then Michelle kiwa nama, I can't remember anyway. Now she stretched the existing name into another one. Entertainment. Now, but let's say as example, certain brands you will not be able to. Then Harpic කියලා අපිට fruit juice එකක් ගේන්න බෑනේ. Right? Harpic brand, then people might say Harpic is a popular name and it's a toilet bowl cleaner, and you know, and we'll bring another product කියලා fruit juice එකක් අරන් එන්න බෑ Harpic එක කියලා. Right? Mortein කියලා biscuit එකක් අරන් එන්න බෑ, you know. So related extension, related stretching you can do when you have a good brand. So Samsung, now they are even into the construction industry in South Korea, and not only South Korea in the global context. GE, General Electrics. So how many products are there? So whatever the products they manufacture, they are using the brand, what they have built over a period. Now the private label supermarkets got the Kiehl's, you have their Kiehl's branded products now. Apico branded products now competing with the manufacturer brands, my dear friends, right? So supermarket owners like egolonge brands dagene, right? It's compete karna manufacturer brands ek compete karna. Now Apico is having stationaries under Apico. Now what threat might come for the stationery people like Aniston in Atlas? So you're getting a threat like that. The brands are coming in different ways, different ways. Okay. Now when you look at
he was doing K-Choice.
Yeah, the K-Choice. K-Choice also they are stationary, right? If I'm not mistaken.
They are doing books for now.
They are doing books. Yeah, see. It becomes competition now in different ways the brand comes, right? Now, I mean, study, my dear friends, how these brands are coming into the market. Okay, sometimes, okay, using the technology name, okay, technology has taken this name into the market. Xerox, if you really look at, Xerox is using the xerographic technology. Xerox is the, I mean, photocopy manufacturer. They are the people who was pioneer into the photocopy machines in the world. And that technology we identified as the xerographic technology, and they were using that technology to brand their name product. A part of that technology, xerographic. So Western European market, photocopy කියලා කියන්නේ, xeroxing කියලා කියන්නේ. So now how strong this brand, my dear friends. Now this word has gone into the Oxford Dictionary. This brand name has gone into the Oxford Dictionary, and there is an international case where Xerox has filed a case against the Oxford Dictionary to take the name out from the dictionary because it's a brand name and it's not a verb. People have even started using this as a verb. Me kochchara strong the me brand එක. මිනිස්සු photocopy කරලා දෙන්නේ කියන්නේ Xerox කරලා දෙන්නේ කියලා. Xeroxing කියලා කියන level එකට ආවා. So because of that, that word came into the dictionary, the Oxford Dictionary. So my dear friends, like that. Okay, so ek advertisement එකක්, if I can, if you came across fruit juice advertisement එකක්. ඒගොල්ලොන් ඒ advertisement එක, if you just Google it and I mean YouTube එකේ කියලා බැලුවොත් සමහරවිට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හම් වෙයි. ඒ අඹගෙඩිය Xerox කරනවායි කියලා ඒගොල්ලොන් කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ exact copy එක අඹගෙඩියේ මේ bottle එකකට දානවායි කියලා කියන්නේ. So this name, the Xerox name, has gone into that level. The people are using it as the verb. True, it is a danger in one way. Now what has happened to Zipper, right? Zipper is a brand. දැන් අපි මේ කලිසම් වල දාන ඔය ඇඳුම් වල දාන Zipper එක Zipper කියන්නේ brand එකක්. Now for whatever that item we call Zipper, right? Cutex is a brand. Now they lost the brand name because any nail polish we call it Cutex. You know, so like that. Threat is also there when you really look at certain brand, when those brands goes into the market. So but that doesn't mean that we should not take certain actions to secure the brand or to build the brand. So my dear friends, there are so many examples like that where you can see Louis Vuitton. If you really look at exact name of the person. Right now, let's look at how people have. Okay, let me come back to this. How people have used their own names. If you all know, right, Adolphe Dassler or Adidas and the Rudolf Dassler, they are brothers. Okay, same family. They were doing the Puma business, and just because one incident, Adi moved out from the company and started the Adidas operation. These both were doing Puma, and Adi left the business and started Adidas. Now these two are basically competing each other. Top leading world, I mean, two brands in the sports industry, the footwear industry especially. Now see how those brands came. Adidas, Adolphe Dassler, Adi Dassler's name, but Puma is not from his name. See, when you all look at, you can get an idea how they have started. Now, Puma started in a very small 10 by 10. It's like in Sri Lanka, Mr. Mint, the shoe manufacturer, shoe repair company. So Puma started its operation like that. But today is the giant, the Nike, right? Phil Knight and the Bowen. I mean, Phil Knight is the athletes and the Bowen is the coach. These two got together and started the Nike brand. Look at the combination. Look at the combination. Being in the industry, they came up. And we saw, I mean, like even not in the industry, the people started the fashion. No fashion related, but the likings drive them to create the brands. So when you study, my dear friends, these the global brands, you will get a huge idea about how they have come up and how they have started, right? So how they basically maintain their standards, what quality level they maintain throughout to keep their standards. Now, Giorgio Armani, right? World's best fashion brand, no? Italian fashion designer. World's best fashion brand, my dear friends. Look at this. Men, women, both. How expensive products. Right? So, okay, he is a fashion designer, he converted. But there are enough and more non-fashion designers, those who entered into the fashion industry and doing the fashion business. So Armani is a brand. By the person's name. I mean, Boeing. Aircraft manufacturing industry ke Boeing kiyana nama kiyanne mokadda? Engines, the aircraft engines, my dear friends. Now look at now all these names, the individual names, tamange nama convert karagena brand ekකට. There are enough and more examples like that. When I share this link, my dear friends, you go through now. Ogolam Cadbury kanawane ne. Now mata kiyana metana Cadbury nokapu ekkenek kata ussanna mata metana. Cadbury kaapu nathi ekkenek kata ussanna metana mata. Can anyone tell me who have not used Cadbury kaapu nathi ekkenek mata ata ussanna metana innawana? ඔක්කොමලා කාලා තියෙනවනේ. දන්නවද මේ වගේ ස්වීට් ෆේස් එකක් තියෙන මිනිස්සෙක් කියලා මේ Cadbury එක හැදුවන්නේ එයාගේ නම Cadbury කියලා ඉවරලා. Right? John Cadbury introduced this brand. It's a global brand right now, my dear friends. Think what you can do with this. People started in a small scale when you study their history, okay? And ekam kiyanne because brand is a commitment, my dear friends. Brand and the branding is a commitment. You can't do miracle overnight. How difficult, right? Tesla study karot tema, Tesla making examples. Tesla study karot tema, you might Tesla was about to close down operation, but the vision of this guy, right? So revamp the entire operation, right? So branding, that is how you need to look at. I have given another link for you all to refer how people use their names, right? Adidas, Armani, Giorgio Armani, right? See Bayer, Bloomberg, Michael Bloomberg, the financial, one of the leading financial service provider in the world, Michael Bloomberg, right? So Boeing, right? Cadbury, Cadillac. Now see, almost all these brands have used their own name. Michael Dell, if you really look at his history, once he came into the media and said his life story and how he started his business, and he said even without invitations, he used to go into, what do you call the events, the parties and the weddings, even without invitations. I mean, he has spent a lot on the dress, and even with difficulties, he said he spent a lot on the dresses and go on to wedding, taking the business card of Michael Dell with the chairman of Dell Corporate. And he was sharing the business cards during these events, right? You know, and he built that brand into that level today, one of the best leading IT brand in the world. So see, right? And our people call DHL as donkeys handling luggages, right? The real name is not that, right? Dalsey, Hilborn and Lane. ඔය තුන් දෙනාගේ මේ නම් තුනේ අකුරු තුන තමයි මේ DHL විදියට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. If you all really want to know you all know the HP brand name, computer brand name HP. Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard කියන දෙන්නා. Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard. කියන දෙන්න ඒ දෙන්නගේ නම් වල පළවෙනි අකුරු දෙක අරගෙන coin එකක් toss කරනවා. coin එක toss කරලා පළවෙනියට එන එක්කෙනාගේ නම අකුර මුලින්ම දානවායි කියලා කියන. එදා coin එක H අකුර මුලින් වැටිච්ච ඉඳ my dear friends we are getting HP. වැරදිලාවත් it was P. Today we are using PH, not HP. You just imagine the way these brands comes into the market. මේ බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකක් හදන්න නැකත් බලලා ගණ පිහිටවලා මොනවාද දේවල් බලලා. I'm not saying you don't have to do those, right? I'm not criticizing any of those, but you just need to do basics, my dear friends. When you do basics, you can come up with the global brand. Now, maybe, I mean, once you get this link, you look at all these Forbes, right? And Ford Motor, Henry Ford, okay? Then මේ අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ හැම එකක්ම ඔයගලන්ට බලන්න පුළුවන් how these brands have come up into this. Louis Vuitton. Now see the luxury fashion brands in the world. මේ හැම එකක්ම ඒගොල්ලෝගේ පෞද්ගලික නම් වලින් මම කියන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම පෞද්ගලික නම දාන්නයි කියලා. ඒක නෙමෙයි මම කියන්නේ. But sometimes you might not see your potential. You people are brands. Remember that. You people are brands. But unfortunately, you don't understand your value of your brand name. So this is what we need to bring in. So brand name එකක් හැදෙන එක ඒක කොහොමද හැදෙන්නේ කියන එක සමහර වෙලාවට අපිට හිතා ගන්න බෑ. Right? So when you're studying branding, study the evolution of good brands, the history, origin of good brands, how they have evolved over a period. Then you can get a better understanding. So any questions? So we are moving on with this. Any questions? Anyone is having any questions? Anyone? මොකද්ද මේ brand එකෙන් අපිට තියෙන වැදගත්කම? Now let's look at why this brand? Why it is so important? Why do we need to bother on this? Why? What is the reason? Why it is so important? Anyone is having any questions? What is this screen? Right. Any questions, guys?
Sir, Nawal
yes,
kata kan? Oh, sir,
what's your name?
Nawal.
Yes.
Dan අපි හිතමු දැන් අපි personal name එකකින් යනවා කියලා brand එකක්. ඒක සර් දැන් අපි expand වෙනවා කියමුකෝ industries දැන් කියමු 3-4කට වගේ එහෙම expand වුණායින් පස්සේ legally අපිට මොන හරි issues වෙනවද? ඒ කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය name එකකින් යනවා නම් legal issues අනිවාර්යෙන් එනවා නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ එතකොට යා personally liable ඒකට ගොඩක් වෙලාට අර ඒ කියන්නේ අර දැන් ඒගොල්ලෝ company name එක වෙනස් කරනවා නේද සමහර වෙලාට ඒ කියන්නේ legal issues එන හින්දා.
Okay, to my knowledge in legal perspectives on the registration, I will tell you. When it comes for a company which is registered under business name ordinance only, which means ව්‍යාපාර නාම ලියාපදිංචි කිරීමේ ආඥාපනත යටතේ ලියාපදිංචි කරපු කම්පැනි එකක් නම් 1979 එතකොට නම විතරයි යන්නේ. ඒවට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ sole proprietor company එහෙම නැත්නම් partnership company කියන එක. ඒතර limited liability නෙමෙයි. ඒතර sole proprietor company එකක් හෝ partnership company එකක් ගත්තොත් මම මේ කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝගේ ප්‍රාදේශීය ලේකම් කාර්යාලය, ඕගොල්ලෝගේ දිස්ත්‍රික්කයේ තියෙන ප්‍රාදේශීය ලේකම් කාර්යාලයට ගිහිල්ලා ඕගොල්ලෝ රෙජිස්ටර් කරොත් company එකක්. ඒතර ඒක යන්නේ ව්‍යාපාර නාම ලියාපදිංචි කිරීමේ ආඥාපනත යටතේ තමයි යන්නේ business name ordinance එක යටතේ. එතකොට liabilities are unlimited. දැන් ඔයා දැම්මොත් Navalka groceries, right? Navalka groceries කියලා, I'm just kidding, okay? Navalka groceries කියලා අරගෙන එන ලොරි ඔක්කොංගෙම බඩු ටික අරගෙන පහුවෙන්ද කඩේ වහලා ඉවරලා බඩු ටික වෙන කොහෙට හරි අරන් යනවා. Right? But Navalka grocery is a registered name in this divisional secretary office. Even your personal assets liabilities are unlimited. හරිද? එතකොට private limited ගත්තොත් Navalka groceries private limited. දැන් ඔයා business එක බංකොලොත් වෙනවා, genuinely බංකොලොත් වෙනවා. හොර වැඩක් නෙමෙයි. හොර වැඩක් නම් there are enough and more laws where you can capture. Genuinely business එක බංකොලොත් වෙනවා. No one can touch your personal assets because your liabilities are limited. But the Gatotima Vikramaratna brothers, okay, let's say these people, LH Karunarath, LH Chandrasekhar, names, then this what do you call this construction company? KDW. Then again, names. Very famous construction company which is in Narayanpeta. Tudave brothers. Tudave, right? So names, right? So that is depending on the legal part. Then ඔයා company එක register කරන්නේ මොන legal entity එකකටද? ඒකෙන් ඔයාගේ personal protection එක එනවා. හැබැයි ඔයා company එක register කරලා තියෙන normal අර මම කියපු category එකෙන් නම් ඔයාගේ personal properties පවා liable ඔයා මොනවා හරි වැඩක් කරොත් ඒකෙන් ඒගොල්ලෝ cover කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක තියෙනවා. ඉතින් brands වලටත් brand එකකට යන්නේ එක්ක trademark registration එකක් එක්කෝ copyright registration එකක් කාටවත් copy කරන්න බැරි විදියට එහෙම නැත්නම් name registration එකක් යන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔය තුන තමයි trademark name and the copyright. ඔය තුන තමයි brand name registrations වලදී යන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒ තුන manage කරලා තිබ්බොත් no one can duplicate your brand. පැහැදිලි නේද නවල්ක?
ඔව් සර්. හරි සර්. Thank you sir.
නවල්ක groceries කියලා ඒ පැත්තේ ප්‍රාදේශීය සභාවේ විතරක් රෙජිස්ටර් කරලා වංගුවක් ගන්න කියොත් නම් සුම්මා ඉතින් ඔයාලට හරියන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම වුණොත් එකක් ප්‍රයිවට් ලිමිටඩ් කරලා අවුෙන්නේ නැතුව කරා නම් හරියද? නේ? Just okay. Do that. Don't go into that level. Right? Whatever unethical business නම් unethical. ඔය කොහෙන් හරි යනවා. Right? There's no survival for those. Right? අපි short term game ගහලි වල සල්ලි හොයනවා නේද my dear friends? Don't think that you can survive for long. කොහෙන් හරි යනවා. අඩුම ගානේ ලෙඩක් ඇදිලා හරි ඒ සල්ලි වියදම් වෙනවා. So this is the nature, right? Nature will punish you. You will not be able to stand up after that. When nature start punishing you, you will not be able to stand up, my dear. අපි අර තරහකාරයෙක් ඇවිල්ලා ගහනවා වගේ නෙමෙයි උට ගහලා ඇති වුණාම he might move off. But when nature will start punishing you, you are gone. You will not be able to heads up again. So you have to be careful whatever happens. So it's like this brand name, you can come up in many ways, my dear friends. So don't think too much. If you might come up with fancy name, right? Fancy name, sometimes you might come up. You never know. I mean, Facebook, what is the meaning? But today is the entire world is controlled by this person, right? The Facebook. Right? People might say, yes, my face in a book always කියලා පොතක් මුණ තියාගෙන ඉන්නේ. දැන් මම දැක්ක very recently I saw one Facebook status. I'm in Facebook කියලා ඉවරලා පොතක ඔළුව ගහගෙන ඉන්න photo. I mean, see this. Sometimes the people might see the crazy name, but might work long run with right strategy. With right strategy. Okay. So see, I mean. Softlogic කියන නම අද ගත්තොත් okay Softlogic නම දාපු පුද්ගලයා Softlogic කියන එකට නම ඩිසයින් කියන කෙනේ නම සජෙස්ට් කරපු පුද්ගලයා මංජුල කියලා පුද්ගලයෙක් one of the best employee in the group. He's all still there, right? And ඇයි මේ IT industry එකේ මුලින්ම හිටිය logic gates තමයි binaries තමයි work කරන්නේ IT industry එකේ ones and zeros and it's the soft version ඔය දෙක connect කරලා තමයි soft logic කියන නම දැම්මේ. අද today the word is basically dominating the whole country, like, and even now the brand moves outside the country and most of the international brands are controlled by that particular brand in the local context. You just imagine. Right? So, Mahesh Amilian, Mars, right? So see, I mean, me brands, api hari strategy එක ගත්තොත් එතකොට එතනදී අපි use කරන නමෙන් we can do wonders. Okay, we'll move forward. So why it is important? The branding is important even for I mean the manufacturer as well as the consumer, not only for the consumer. It's important for the manufacturer as well. For the consumer, if you really look at consumer, yes, it's identification purpose, and I am a bit interested on this risk part. Guys, you all have to excuse me for 2 minutes. I need to have some water. there were no power in the morning, so I had to come to office. අද ඉතින් තේත් නැහැ. යන්තම් දවල්ට කෑම එක කෑවා. ඔෆිස් එකේ ඉතින් අද වැඩ කරන කවුරුත් නැහැනේ. තේ එකක්වත් හදාගන්න තේත් නැහැ, මුකුත් නැහැ. So I have to do it. Right, guys. Now risk part. Brand එකක තියෙන risk part එක. Okay. මොකද්ද මේ brand එකක risk reducer කෙනෙක්? I mean the people, those who are managing brands, remember guys, you got to make sure your brand is reducing the risk component. If your brand is creating a risk, you will never be able to stand up again. Now, what are these risk factors we are talking about in a brand? Now, අපිට පුළුවන් නම් අපේ brand එක මිනිස්සු comfortably use කරනවා නම් අපි ඇඳුමක් මැහුවොත් අපේ brand එකේ මිනිස්සු බය නැතුව අඳිනවා නම් physical risk එකක් නැත්තම් අපේ brand එක පාවිච්චි කරනකොට social rejection එකක් නැත්තම් අපි brand එකට invest, client කෙනෙක් brand එකට invest කරනකොට එයාට feel වෙන්නේ නැත්තම් අපරාධි මම මේකට invest කරේ කියලා. So you got to think certain aspects. You have to reduce the risk what a usual consumer is facing when they are buying and consuming a brand. So you got to identify, you have to make sure that your brand is reducing the risk. That is one of the major areas you got to focus if you are developing a brand. We'll talk about what are the risk factors at the last slide. You have to think. And when you talk about a brand, it is very easy. No? Brand එකක් හොයන්න ලේසි. Unbranded product එකක් හොයනකොට වඩා brand එකක් හොයන්න ලේසි නේ. Now brand එකක් කියපු ගමන්ම your memory comes, everything comes into your memory if you have positioned properly well. ඔයගොල්ලෝ segmentation targeting positioning කරානේ. What do you position? You're positioning the brand values into the mindset of the consumer. Right? Shelter for you කියලා brand value එක දැන් වැරදිලවත් අපි හිතමු shelter for you කියලා ඉවරලා ප්‍රේමදාසගේ ගම්මුදාව හරි සජිත්ගේ ගම්මුදාව හරි කපල් කරා නම් සමහරලාට you might not be able to stand up because you talk about I mean you are rejecting one community, opposition you are rejecting එතකොට අපි හිතමු උදාහරණයක් විදිහට. So people should have some better comfort. Let's say you talk about shelter for you brand, and let's say as an example the construction what you do, you give bad experience into the market, it goes viral na? It goes viral ne? දැන් අද හොඳට වඩා viral වෙන්නේ නරකනේ. පොඩි mistake එකක් කරන හොඳ 100ක් කරන්න මෙලෝ එකෙක් like එකක් දාන්නේ. I'm very sorry, really sorry about the word, right? එකෙක් like එකක් දාන්නේ නැහැ. එකෙක් post එකක් share කරන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මොනවා හරි mistake එකක් කරා, right? Now let's say as example මම මේ session එකේදී මොනවා හරි mistake එකක් කරනවා. කවුරු හරි screenshot එකක් ගන්න ඕක viral කරනවා ඊටු කියලා, right? ගහන අන්න අර මෙහෙම කිව්වා අරම කිව්වා. These things are happening my dear. Brands වලට මේක දරුණුවටම වදින. මොකද competitors are waiting till a mistake of their competing brands and they take it to the viral and to damage. So you should make sure you reduce the risk component. So we'll talk about that. And search cost එක අඩු කරනවා, brand එක මිනිස්සු believe කරනවා. සමහර ඒගොල්ලෝ දැන් let's say as example you are using a branded phone, Apple or whatever, Samsung, and you openly buy නැතුව තියාන කතා කරනවා. And unbranded Chinese phone එකක් නම් පාවිච්චි කරන සමහරකට මෙහෙම කළා කතා කරනවා. කාටවත් පේන්නේ නැහැ මේ phone එකවත් පේන්නේ. Branded watches wear කරන කට්ටිය. Just identify they are not wearing long sleeves. They are wearing short sleeves. I mean to say gents especially wearing short sleeves because ලක්ෂ ගාණක් දීලා මිලියන ගාණක් දීලා Rolex watch එකක් අරගෙන ඒක වහගෙන යන්නේ නැහැ මිනිස්සු. You know what I mean, right? So I mean it has identified. මම කියන දේවල් මේ these are global research, okay? So symbolize කරන symbolic devices brands කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay? So මිනිස්සු trust කරනවා ඒක. So like that benefited for consumer and the brand benefited for manufacturers also. My dear friends, brand එකක් ගත්තහම අපි ගමු උදාහරණයක් විදියට I will show you all two sites, interbrands.com and the brandfinance.com. brand එකක financial value එක කියලා කියන්නේ මේ brand එකේ තියෙන asset value එක නෙමෙයි. Coca-Cola brand market total market capitalization එකෙන් Coca-Cola total market capitalization එකෙන් 38% විතරයි asset තියෙන්නේ. 62% මේ intangible brand එකට තියෙන value එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Coca-Cola නම ඕගොල්ලන්ට ගන්න ඕනේ කියලා හිතමුකෝ මේ $1 billion brand එකක්. Okay. අපි හිතමු $1 billion investment එකකට ඕගොල්ලෝ යනවා ඒ නම අරගන්න. එහෙනම් ඒ නම අරගත්තට 38 32ද. Okay 38 or 32% තමයි asset තියෙන්නේ. මේ tangible asset තියෙන්නේ. මේ අතින් අල්ලන්නවත් බැරි මේ නමට තමයි මේ 68% අපි pay කරන්නේ. So this is the strength what you have when you are having a good brand. Brands are purchased by other brands, my dear friends. Right? හොඳ brand එකක් හැදුවොත් ඒ brand එක විකුණන්න පුළුවන්. Anything.lk bought over by Wow. Anything.lk කියන shopping cart එක wow කියලා right dialogue එකෙන් purchase කළා ඒක wow කියලා convert කරා. අද දරස් ගත්තා. අරගෙන දරස් කියන නමින් ඒක run කරගෙන යනවා. Brands purchase කරනවා. Right? So people brands purchase කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ මේ අපි මේ brand එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙච්ච product එකක් purchase කරන එකට මේ I mean to say. Now your brand value in modern context, any financial people here, accountants la innawada metana kawuru hari innawana tak gala tossana. Today in the financial statements brand equity gone taken as the asset in the balance sheet. Namalka, right? Do you know that? Brand equity has taken as an asset of the company right now. Okay, Namal, are you a chartered accountant or a SIMA?
Not really, but I have completed like with the company experience. I am a tax accountant actually.
Okay,
but I have completed a management degree with Plymouth.
Yeah, now see, now brand equity now taken into the balance sheet, my dear friend, as asset. මම local context එකට තාම මේක ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ හරියට. Multinational context එකේ brand එකේ value එක ඒක asset එකක් විදිහට ඒගොල්ලෝ පෙන්නනවා ඒගොල්ලෝගේ balance sheets වල. It goes into that level right now. ඒතර ඕගොල්ලෝ brand එකක් හැදුවයි කියලා කියන්නේ. දැන් අපි හිතමු මට brand එකක් තියෙනවා නම් successful brand එකක් මම කිව්වොත් මේ brand එකේ ඕන මම කියලා ඉවර වෙලා any bank willing to give loans, funds or whatever the investments, anyone would like to invest for that brand. Other share market එකේ brands වලට invest වෙන්නේ. මේ companies කියලා කියන්නේ brands, my dear friends. Why people investing for John Keells, Softlogic? Okay, I'm not talking about the initial IPO operation, but I mean the John Keells. Why these brands they are investing on, right? People willing to invest. ඒක තමයි asset එකක් ඒක company එකට. ඒක value එකක් ඒ company එකට. So if you have a good brand, you can people competition එකෙන් people select your brand if your brand is having a good value. So that is there. And we were talking about the risk component, my dear friends. Functional risk. අපි දන්නවනේ branded product එකක් ගාවත්තොත් බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ මේක කැඩෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන කැඩෙනවා. I'm not saying කැඩෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන එක. But මේක වැඩ කරනවායි කියන එක. දැන් අපි ෆෝන් එකක් ගන්නවා එකම physically එකම දැන් මම එක උදාහරණයක් කියන්නම්. Lamborghini Murcielago එක Iranian car designer Moradi duplicate කරනවා Lamborghini Murcielago එක 2019 වල 1917 හරි මට මතක විදියට. So 2017 මට මතක විදියට. So Lamborghini Murcielago එක ඉරානියන් කාර් ඩිසයිනර් මොරාඩි කියන එක්කෙනා ඩුප්ලිකේට් කරනවා ඒ ඩිසයින් එක ඒ විදියටම ඒ ෆීචර්ස් එක්කම. But he can't sell the same price as Lamborghini Murcielago. No? Price difference is there. Huge difference is there because that is Lamborghini and this is something else. You know, දැන් මම හිතමු උදාහරණයක් විදිහට BMW කාර් එක මේ විදිහටම හදනවා ඩෙසිමල් එකක්වත් දශමයක්වත් වෙනස් නැතුව ඒ කාර් එකම මම හදලා මම දානවා MPW කියලා. You won't pay the same price what you pay for BMW for MPW no? Because MPW is not BMW. Because that brand is having some kind of intangible value. එතකොට මේ brand එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මේ logo එක විතරද? එහෙනම් මේ නම විතරද? එහෙනම් මේක ඇතුලේ කොච්චර intangible value එකක් තියෙනවද gap වෙලා? So we need to bring those into it. එතකොට තමයි brand එකක strength එකක් එන්නේ my dear friends. So functional risk අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ brand එකෙන්. You have to make sure you reduce these risk factors. Physical risk, right? අපි ඇඳුමක් මානවා ඇඳුම ඇඳ ගමන් ඇඟපත කහන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. Why Emerald is talking about Japanese quality material in their advertisement, my dear friends? Why do they talk about it? Trustworthy, reliable, is it the fashion? They talk about the material, na? Japanese mahatya mahatme karai කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Japanese material එක දාලා ඒගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Comfortable, no physical risk. දැන් අපි සමහරලාට මේ වෙන එකක් මේව කරා. ඇඳුමක් ගත්තයි කියලා කිව්වා. So ඒක අඳින්න බැහැ. What? Physical. අපි දුමු Chinese mobile phone එකක් මොකක් කරේ. Don't take me wrong. China වලට ගහනවායි කියලා. Unbranded අපි කියමුකෝ. Unbranded mobile phone and a branded mobile phone. අපි කවුද දන්නේ කඩේ තියාගෙන ඉන්නකොට බැටරි එක පුපුරයිද කියලා ෆෝන් එකේ. Physical risk guaranteed නෑ නේ. අපි දන්නවා I mean what happened to certain brands, aircraft even, I mean airlines even rejected certain brands. මේ issue එකකින් lithium ion battery concern එකකින්ද. But unbranded product එකකට do we have at least that assurance? ඒ තරම්වත් අපිට physical risk එකක් නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ මම financial risk අපි ගත්තොත් උදාහරණයක්. අපි මේ කරන investment එක worth. So we have a doubt, but brand is taken care by that. අපි දන්නවා branded එකකට invest කරනවා. Okay, I'm investing for this. Social risk මම අර කිව්වා අර ෆෝන් එකක් එහෙම පාවිච්චි කරනකොට ඇඳුමක් අඳිනකොට why people wear the branded stuff openly? Psychological risk, comfortable. මේ product එක okayද නැද්ද? branded එකක් ගත්තාම එයා දන්නවා ඒක okay කියලා. unbranded එකක් ගත්තාම concern. Time risk මොන හරි දෙයක් වුණොත් ආයෙ work out කරන්න. And the other thing, branded products does not mean the luxuries. මේ වචනේ වැරදියට industry එකේ use කරනවා. Any product with a brand considered as a branded product. So if you talk about, I mean, premier brands, that is different. Now, අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම Giorgio Armani is also a brand. And කවුද දැන් අර girl කෙනෙක් කරනවා කියලා කිව්වෝ ඒ brand එකත් brand එකක්. Both are branded products. Both are branded products. But Armani is what? Premier brand products. So that girl is also doing a branded product. So never underestimate your brand what you are doing. Okay, you also do a branded product, right? So there will be a day you take your brand into a premier segment, or whatever the segment you are planning into, you will bring it into as a recognized brand. So product එකකට commodity එකක් නෙමෙයි නම් නමක් තියෙනවා නම් that we consider as a branded product. පැහැදිලිද අපේ මිනිස්සු branded product කියලා කියපු ගමන් මම මේ කතා කරන්නේ මේ තියෙන ලෝකේ තියෙන හොඳම brands ටික. Not like that, my dear friends, right? It can be a branded product, it can be a branded service, you name whatever, right? So if you have some kind of a name in it with the proper values, so it becomes a branded product. Any questions? Any questions? Anyone is having any questions? We are anyone is having any questions? Anyone is having any questions? Anyone? Monoari Prashna, I think we were talking about this area last week. So I will just touch it and finish it. We were talking about this last week anyway. But any question, guys? Any question? Anyone would like to share your ideas? Anyone?
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, just imagine, for example, I'm telling you. So Sanat Jayasuriya, he doesn't have any brand. Just for example, I'm telling you, right? So the name is a brand, right? So everyone knows his name. So I just wanted to start a sport shop, right? So I don't have my name is not a brand like Sanat Jayasuriya. So I just wanted to ask, so can I go to meet with a Sanat Jayasuriya and I'm talking to him and I'm brainwashed and I just want to do a brand. So Sanat Jayasuriya sports shop or something. So is it possible?
Sanat Jayasuriya is a brand.
Yeah.
Mahela and Sangakkara, Bhatia Santosh, Ronaldo, Roger Federer, Maria Sharapova, you name all this.
Yeah.
Even you and I are brands. We are brands. We are brands.
Yeah. Okay.
Aniston is a brand.
Yeah. Just I'm telling you that is it okay to then call and convince him that I just wanted to put a name under you, you know?
You want
Is
that?
it good?
It's
Do you
good.
think it's a good idea?
It's a good idea if you can use his name and do Sanat Jayasuriya Sports Complex with all the sports equipment and all these things.
Yeah.
Now see, right? It's a known brand name, right?
Yeah.
Sangakkara is a known brand name. Mahela is a known brand name, right? So in Sri Lankan context, if you really look at, I mean, there are some more sports personalities, right, like that. So I mean, you can, if it is possible, they can use their name. And why I'm saying their brand names now, was Yeheli Sangha charge millions from companies for being brand ambassadors. Like John Keel's group, Keel Supermarket Operation, brand ambassadors like Yeheli Sangha both, right? Charge millions. දැන් අපි හිතමු ඇනිස්ටන් මම යනවා මම ගිහිල්ලා කියනවා කීල්ස් එකට රයිට් මට මිලියන 10ක් එපා මට මිලියන 2ක් දෙන්න මම ඉන්නම් කියලා මම මිලියන 10ක් දුන්නත් උම්මාව ගන්න ඇඩ් එකට because we don't have that brand value.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, right? So they have different values in it, my dear friends. They have different values in it. So I mean, when you position, come on now this girl got famous very recently, that short hair girl. Yohani, right? Now, just before that song, where was she? And today, where is she? See how she increased her brand value? See how she increased her brand value with one single activity. So maintaining that for future or spoiling that, thank God if she maintained that for future. I mean, we pray for her to maintain it because see the value now. Now, do you think she got agreements before that? Couple of advertisement she was appearing, but before that international agreements she could come into know, right? Now her price is pretty high, you know. දැන් හිතුවොත් මේ advertisement එකකට යහනි ගන්න ඕනේ කියලා, do you think we can ask Johan to come and do advertisement for about 1 million 2 million? No, she might say, okay, no, look here, I need at least 20 million. I don't know, I mean, I'm just saying, okay, right? See, values are increasing. So Sanat Jayasuriya is a brand. You are a brand. Every one of you, my dear friend, brands, and uniqueness is there. මොකද brand එක කියලා කියන්නේ මේ නම විතරක් නෙමෙයි. You're one of the unique creature on this earth. Tell your mom and dad, go and tell your mom and dad, get me a exactly similar one like this. I want another brand exactly similar like this. They can't. I mean, obviously they can't. It's a different story, right? Now, I mean to say, you're, so out of jokes, I mean to say, right? Come on. We all are unique creatures, right? Physically, we are different. Socially, psychologically, we are different creatures. So each one of us are having uniqueness in their brand. So that is why we said, okay, metanin, okay, mama mulai idam mata pena nam dik gatto Dharani, Buddhi, Demika, Vishwajit,